How stupid can you guys be? And you want to say comrade stupid? If they read the statement where Rosie put out in a Monica, if the PNP read the statement where Rosie put out after Donovan threatened to sue her, Rosie basically say whatever she say, fear views and fear opinion. Rosie don't have one iota evidence, you know. If show you all the comrade them not think. If you don't read the rebuttal where Rosie put out, Rosie basically say Philippian, say what she said in the voice note, a fear views and fear opinion and what happened to her. Rosie don't have one iota of evidence. She said a fear views and fear opinion and things that happened to her. Rosie cannot show one paperwork or one paper trail. So I want to run up and down with comrade. You guys are grasping at straws. You guys are desperate and thirsty for something. Even the Gleaner thirsty. Because I go through the Gleaner today and not one story they couldn't find to bring down the government. That's why they write that stupid editorial there. Because they couldn't find nothing to bring down the government this week. Exactly, Kizzy. If you don't read what Rosie said, when based on what Donovan and lawyer said, Rosie said these are her views, her opinion, her experience, how things will happen to her. How she go back up them then in the court of law, comrades? Explain to me. Because I know we know in a way you can prove. It's not what you know in a comrade, is what you can prove. So one I run up and down and I said justice for Rosie. What about the justice for Maxine Simpson? From Maxine Simpson get unalive run at the PNP, run at Angela Brown Burke, run at the PNP constituency from when Portia time. And now the PNP them can't tell where who unalive Maxine Simpson. And now the PNP cannot tell us who unalive Maxine Simpson, comrade Maxine Simpson. I know the PNP cannot bring no justice to the beautiful little girl that got grape and unalive on a Jefferson constituency. What about Saraya Paulwell? What about Yetiana Francis? What about her mother, Tashana Patrice? Oh, Melissa Silvera? What about these PNP lives? They don't matter. Only labor right lives alone matter, comrade. You guys are desperate. And it is a shame to see what happened to the Michael Manley PNP. It's a shame to see what happened to the PJ Pattison PNP. PNP is like butt against son, mama, son. I mean, no, this is not the PNP you're born and growing up. PNP is like butt against son. They don't have no substance. They don't have no standard. Nothing. Nothing at all. You can say, boy, PNP stand for, PNP don't stand for nothing. PNP don't stand for nothing under Mark Jefferson Golding. Absolutely nothing. The PNP don't stand for under Mark Jefferson Golding. Nothing. You don't have a position. You can say this is the PNP position. They don't have no position. You can say, yeah, man, this is the position of the People's National Party. You have Mark Jefferson Golding. Go on, the CVM go say, oh, he's giving his 80% of his salary to charity. Where is the evidence, comrade? Where is the evidence of Mark Golding giving his money to charity? Nothing. Where is the evidence of Mark Golding giving his some of his salary to charity? We don't see it all now. Uno delusional. Uno delusional, comrades. Uno delusional. I am telling you guys need to start to come up with some plan. See, two little plan you come with in the budget, favor fling them out. You don't have to go back to the drawing board. You guys have to go back to the drawing board, comrades. Because when you come say e-invoicing, favor kick it out so that now go work for the next 3 years. Or no come say no math program, favor kick out that I said that can't implement no time. So what else? PNP is intellectually lazy. PNP no have no ideas. PNP no have no substance. PNP is like a soup without pumpkin. PNP is like a soup without chocho. A soup without Irish, nobody. Just a long water running like pipe. Come on, comrade. Come on. Where are the thinkers in the People's National Party? Where are the bright people? See, Comrade Andre Artin say, PNP don't want to bright people. That's why they put him out. And I me say so. A Comrade Andre Artin said it. Comrade Andre Artin said, yes, man, I don't want that cult to not have over there. That's what Comrade Andre Artin said. Comrade Andre Artin said, him gone a PNP because him bright and him an economist and him thinks that them would have embrace him. And say, you are economist, help with economy. Comrade Andre Artin said, then put him out and say, excuse, you don't want your handout, we want. In comrades? Andre Artin have to lift up and run. Andre Artin have to put his foot in and run left the PNP. And Nama Jefferson Golden. If Sister P was still the party leader, there would have been a place in the People's National Party for Andre Artin. I promise you that, comrades. And if you don't wish to speak the truth, you don't know what's going to lie me I tell. If Portia Simpson Miller was well and still running the People's National Party, Andre Artin would have a place in the PNP. Can remember it was Portia Simpson who bring in Damian Crawford. It was Portia Simpson who bring in Raymond Price. It was Portia Simpson who bring in Kern Spencer. It was Portia Simpson who bring in Arnaldo Brown. It was Portia Simpson who bring in Lisa Anna. It was Portia. It was Portia Simpson who bring in Dayton Campbell in the People's National Party. Look at the people them where Mark Golding bring in. Look at the people them where Mark Golding bring in at the PNP compared to the people them where Portia and Percival bring in. Look at Nikisha Burchell. Look at Nikisha Burchell. She have butu in a Benz. She have butu in a Benz. She have no class. Her self-esteem is low. She's an attention seeker. She come like the bride of Chucky. Where Chucky girlfriend named Tiffany. Nothing. And a person when me did like her, me say, all right, Nikisha is a person where young people can look up to and say, she come from nothing to something. But when me hear she open her mouth on the podcast last week, me say, no. She's not a person I want my daughter to emulate. Imagine somebody ask you about your personal life on a podcast. You don't know how to pivot. You don't know how to deflect, Nikisha. You don't know how to deflect and move the conversation to what you think is more important. Or more substantive. You, Nikisha, the podcaster ask you, asks you about what is the biggest rumor you heard about yourself, and you couldn't find nothing else. So you can't polish off your brand. You couldn't say you couldn't say, well, they say that I'm proud, or they say that I'm enough. And then you could pivot into say, well, I am a woman and I build myself up and I'm educated and my education is what I'm going to use to get further. You're going to say that? You have to go talk foolish about your sexual orient. Come on, Nikisha, you have no class. You have no class, Nikisha. None whatsoever. None. And you me hear the come with them and say, you have leadership aspiration. You Nikisha, have leadership aspiration. Then if you the PNP I come with, PNP now come with opposition. If you the PNP I choose Nikisha Burchell, then dog nyam the PNP supper. Because you're not the one, sister. You're not the one. You're not the 2 and you're not the 3, baby. You're not the 1. The only sensible person, missing right now, as a matter of fact, no over there don't make sense. Because I saw you make 1 step forward, or make 2 steps backwards. I don't even know. Because Julian him come now with himself now go talk about how the e-invoice program can implement in 1 year. When him know there's no evidence of it implemented in any country in 1 year. And based off that, me can't even say Julian. Based off that, I can't even say Julian makes sense. I can't. Then you have the one from Central St. Mary. He might jump before him even walk. He might run before he even creep. He might build himself up. So the Jamaican people can say, yes, he might potential, he might push down the door and not for him time. So you know, say he might rise for a fall. Can look like he not see what happened to Damien. Look like he not see what happened to my comrade brother Damien. So him don't make no sense neither. And the one I sat. When I sat stand in the parliament to speak on an issue, 90% of the time it makes sense. But my issue with ISAT is that when ISAT is out of the parliament, he not carry himself with dignity and with grace. He not carry himself with him stoop very, very low, like him and Andre Kumbalob. He left parliament when he have to turn on like to chat foolishness. Me never like that. Me never like that. Me so when you come back on social media, welcome sister. So me not even can talk about ISAT again. When he open him mouth to speak in the parliament and various issues, intend to make sense to me. But when he come out of parliament, he not carry himself good. So me can't even say him. Only person me kind of look pan, barely a look pan, comrade, Azolika Jess. So far. She just stay in her lane and she do her work. And separate from the time when she go make video and talk about she and I carried government food in a PNP van. Other than that, she's not bad. But the PNP not no way forward. The PNP not have no way forward. And the Mark Jefferson Golden, none whatsoever. And that is why I say PNP can't take Labour Party out of power, you know. And we have to take ourselves out of power. PNP, this current PNP, under the leadership of Mark Jefferson Golden, cannot remove Andrew Holness from power. And we have to defeat ourselves. We have to defeat ourselves. That is why when time I say, hand out, beggy, licky, Labour right, come out, we have to run out too. I say we can't disagree. I say more family can't meet and we can't argue because we don't have to be friends. But our views and our values align. We don't have to be friends. But when time for vote, we put on we shirt and we go vote. Me and don't have to be friend. Me and don't have to talk in a WhatsApp group. Me and don't even have to tell Audi. But when the time comes to support Andrew Michael Holness, we must all line up behind our party leader and support him. And anything for put the party and the party leader in a negative light, we must put it aside and shun it. We not support no Labour right. We are bring down the party leader and the party. That will not get that from me. Me sorry. We not get that from MunchieB. We not get that from me. Any Labour right who feel like them bigger than the party, nah get no support from me. I mean, not take back that. One Andrew Holness and the same thing we do under the 18.5 years of Percival and render Edward Siaga unelectable. Same thing we do. We don't want to come do it now. We don't want to come do it now. I want people to laugh up and talk up with you and talk about how Rosie this and Rosie that. Rosie nothing at all when it comes to the grand scheme of things and Andrew Michael Holness. Nobody no bigger than the party leader. Nobody no bigger than the party leader. Nobody. And the quicker we find out that, and the quicker it is going to be for us to fall in line and support our party leader. No way. I don't want to talk about Rosie this and Rosie that. Rosie nothing at all. when she bring the party into disrepute. I can't support that. I cannot support that. We have too much things to do. Too much is at stake to be distracted. Too much things to do. We have a 4th term to win under the leadership of Andrew Michael Holness. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look on the budget where the Prime Minister's present for us to ventilate and go through and dissect. Look what the Prime Minister put front of we. The Prime Minister give it 2 hours worth of work for do. Go through and read and analyze and make video about. So many things. So many things we can go through and talk about. I say, yes, we're gonna implement down a Black River, looking forward for the urban center and the nice boardwalk and the nice infrastructure, the brand new hospital to be built down there. Look how much things we have to talk about. We want to make PNP a lead with down the street. I talk about Rosie. And I know the PNP don't talk about the 12 dialysis machine. Labor right to the so we are get distracted. We're being distracted by the People's National Party. And all the PNP do is distract. Remember, Prime Minister Holness say, all Matt do a talk and talk and talk. And 90% of the time he's speaking garbage. The PNP can't talk to Jamaica Labour Party about corruption. No PNP can't call me for no platform to talk about corruption until them talk about the 12 dialysis machines that are down sitting at Lindros Road. No PNP can't call me on a platform to talk about corruption until they can talk about what Swaby said them and gel up the thing and rub up the thing and make sure Bull and them man they get where them forget. Who is Bull? The PNP Dan from Central Kingston. No PNP can't call me on a platform, Kimali, unless them can talk about the Hurricane Melissa money, Comrade Mama San. No comrade can call me Comrade Mama San unless we don't want to talk about the PNP corruption river come down bank to bank. What are we doing? What are we doing? We don't talk about Rosie from 3 days ago and me now bring back that up. We are move forward now under the leadership of Andrew Michael Holness, Prime Minister of Jamaica for a 3rd term. We need to stay focused. We need to stay focused. PNP can't distract. Exactly, Lou. Rest Rosie now. Rest Rosie now. The party is bigger than Rosie. The party is bigger than any individual in the Jamaica Labour Party. And anybody Andrew say, and anybody Dr. Chang say, I work with. And then I wake up tomorrow morning and Dr. Chang and Andrew say, we'll give Rosie a next chance. Me back Rosie again. Because it's not personal to me. It is all about Andrew Michael Holness. Once it is good enough for Andrew Holness and the Labour Party, it is good enough for me. So don't even come attack me personally. Because I have nothing personally to get from this more than say Andrew Holness as my Prime Minister. Munchie, is it raining? No, it is not raining. So nice outside and bright. But oh no, but the sky look kind of partly cloudy. Yeah. That's all me I say. Oh no, don't even take it personally because I not take it personal. Because I tell you already say, when it come to the time to vote for Andrew Holness, I don't say me a cuss and I go on. Me I go up at the polling station and me I put my X beside the bell. Because when me I vote, and the road that me I vote for, Andrew Holness me I vote for. Yes, me happen to have a good MP. Yes, my MP is working. Yes, Rhoda Mike Crawford is visible. She's underground. Road, she and NWA is fixing roads and building drains. Yes, the Greater Mandeville Water Project so finished for the people in the Manchester region to get water. Yes, we soon get to a park. Yes, Rhoda is helping with back to school and helping with scholarship. Yes, she's still trucking water to the Belfield division. She's doing all of that. Still giving care package to the shut-ins and the people who are not able to work. She's still representing us well. I have a good member of parliament. A very good member of parliament. I have no complaints, to be honest. I have absolutely no complaints when it comes to my member of parliament. Solar lights in place, road a fix, water project soon finish, shut-ins a get help, water truck to Belfield. She at every school, every principal know can call on her for any help, any support that they need from the ministry. She's there on the ground. 7 days a week, my MP is there. And I'm very fortunate. I consider myself very fortunate because I have a good MP. Eh? But at the end of the day, really and truly, Andrew Wellness, me say. Andrew Wellness, me say, a real Mackay. To be fair, you know. Andrew Wellness, me say, me just happen if you have a good MP. And I'm happy. I have no complaints. And the people who inquire about me, call Rhoda and ask Rhoda about me. Call her and ask her if she have any issue with me. When the highway opened down Williamsfield, me not even know that the MP a care bus other people down there. When me drive my car go down there, the security tell me say me can't come in because me have to get a pass, a permission. Me say, me think it was open to everybody. The security said no, because the MP already coming with a bus other people. You know what me do? Me park my car somewhere and walk over the barrier and go down there, go sit down and clap. My MP now have to carry me nowhere, labor right. She don't have to call me on the phone and carry me nowhere. Once me hear say something I keep, me go in. I saw me stay. I saw me stay. And none of you know. Me turn on my life this morning, me tell you no. None of you know. None of you know cannot take me out of the Jamaica Labour Party. None of you can stop me from support Andrew Wellness. And I realize that some of this are coming from bad mind with some of you. Because I feel like say, I must have reason make me a go on so. So I felt the need to come this morning to let you guys know that I am an independent thinker. I don't need nothing from any minister and nothing from any member of parliament. I am an independent thinker. That is why I leave the PNP. All right. Me I go come off that next time now, guys. Half an hour, but me know me labor right. Them love chat. So me can bring up 2 if you can say a few words. Oh, see, comrade Mama Sanya. Oh, wait, comrade Sanya send me request for. Comrade. Oh, she not there. Okay, she her internet off. Guys, you know see comrade Mama Sanya send me. Oh, where she want now? And where comrade want, guys? Look like she off like. Look like she not on the live again. And where she want? Look like the comrade gone, guys. No tell her me I send for her. If she want to come back, she can come back. If she want to come back, she can come back because she know she the next one. She the next one that see a Mama Son here. She the next one. Oh, she try to bring down my prime minister with you. And then the PNP them turn on and bring you back down Mama Son. That's what do you. Okay, but things the PNP can't friend up. Anyway, guys, if we don't want alive in the past, when we don't leave my church sister alone. Miss Opwell, what are we you come back on social media? Then you tell me see you go turn off your page. Hey, Miss Opwell, what are we you come back on social media? Because the labor right them bring you down because they say they don't trust you. Me not say me not trust you, no, Miss Opwell. Me not say me not trust you. Okay, no do me not if you not trust you, but me understand why the labor right them say they not trust you because you sit on PNP platform and PNP tell you lie and bring down the anti-life and the party and you don't say nothing. That is why they not trust you. But me now use that and bash you because you Miss Opwell, you said it. You are an independent thinker, and me like that. Me like that. So me not follow them, but the labor right. Them no want to see you coming, Miss Hopewell. Any comrade want come up contact? Cause you know, so this platform is for the comrades, you know. Cause you know, me I want to ever take it to me. I take it to you know. Any comrade? See Zara say Miss Hopewell a PNP. Same thing. Me tell her Miss Hopewell, them not like you at all. Them not like you at all. Mark Johnson, a PNP or you a JLP? Are you a PNP or JLP, Mark Johnson? Yes, kids, me are independent too, you know. Because remember the Labour Party put me out because they say me I criticize the health sector too much. And the PNP, they said they don't want me over there because me talk too much bad things about Mark Golding. So they don't want me. You're not on Miss Hopewell level. That is okay. That is okay. Comrade, that is the difference between me and you. That is okay. If I am not on Miss Hopewell's level, that is fine with me. That is fine with me. That is all good and dear with me. That is okay. You're right. That is fine. Me no one say me not on Miss Hopewell level, and that is fine. Mark is my JLP. Yeah, man. So guys, and that me come for step on today Sunday because me realize that some people are come for MunchieB. And me just want to know say, now children not see me come live, no do me. Nothing at all no do MunchieB. Me not come live because nowadays we have a lot of JLP platforms and the JLP platform good and them do a very good job and every labor right bright and can dissect information and do themselves, do the thing good. So me don't need to come live again. Me can rest now because every labor right bright and can talk about stuff. And if me want to talk, me can still go on other people's platform. I go on every well, not every labor right. But I go on 90% of the labor right in platform if I want to talk. And they make me talk. So I don't need to turn on my life no more. And the most important thing to me, labor rights and comrades, was it relates to my relevance. As long as me relevant to the little circle of me inner, that is all that matters. You see the problem with me stay in a lane. You understand? Me stay in a corner and a cabana. So I might not be relevant in this section, and that is fine. I might not be relevant in this area, and that is also fine. But the few little persons that I'm relevant to, I stay with those people. And I am not upset. I am not sad. I am not crying. The few little people who think that I am worthy to be friends with them, I stay with them. And that is okay. That is okay. Understand? That is fine. I am never the one to be seeking validation from people. I am not that girl. I am a girl that is going to stay in her lane and stay among the people them who like me. I want to talk to me. I want to associate themselves with me. You see the people them who don't like me and don't want to associate themselves with me and feel like I'm not for them, I stay away from them. I stay in my cabana. I stay away from their platform, and I will not be going and begging no friend and each other. And I wish them all the best. Okay, comrades? That answer the question? That answer the question, comrade? Is that answer satisfactory to you? I just want to let you guys know that. Okay? Thank you very much. Any more questions? Any more questions, comrades? Any more questions? Okay, no more. All right. Okay, then gone, guys. Look like the brute of them gone. Look at them here what they want, you know, so look like them gone. Yeah, man. Look like them gone. So, guys, Stefano said 8 o'clock tonight I'm going to deal with me and go look where I deal with me and come back and tell me. Or maybe if me remember me go over there, you know, because sometimes me not nothing to do. Can I say more deal with me 8 o'clock tonight? Every minute Stefano deal with me, so. You can't deal with me, so. The last time I said, "More deal with me. I'm going to sue you. They're going to sue you. I'm going to deal with you." What deal with me? He said, "Perry Wagwan, come here. Come here, my friend Perry. Oh my God, I wonder you come off of the For You page. Come here, man. Come here, my church brother. Come here, my church brother, Perry. When there? Church brother, you not come? Madam Speaker, that's why labor right bloggers shouldn't be rude. Come here, me not be rude. Perry, you know say me not be rude to you. The reason why the other labor right did cuss you after the time, because she have personal grievance with you from your days. Me now, me not cuss you off because me not a personal grievance with you. Come, man. Me no want, no, me not cuss you, Perry. I'm here to up, come down, man. I will bring Mark up here. Mark, come down.
Hello.
Come down, because me don't want to liberate up here for cuss my friend Perry. Come, Perry. Come here. Come down, because I don't want to up here for cuss my friend Perry. Because you know, trust him because the last time I bring him up on platform and cuss him. Come, Perry. Church brother. When there? Perry said, make sure take down the labor right them so they can't cuss you. When there? Perry, as a blogger, you're not afraid to go up on a platform, you know. You're not afraid. If them being disrespectful and telling you about personal stuff you can't conduct, but when it comes to the politics, you must stand up like a man and angle your bangle. When there? Lord, I'm afraid. Guys, why Perry afraid to come on the platform, guys? Why Comrade Perry afraid to come on the platform? I'm going to have my Sunday dinner. Oh, please, Perry. Oh, please. You're going to say Sunday I can't rest for 10 minutes. You don't have Sunday dinner? I just eat my breakfast about an hour ago, my love. So nobody not frightened for Sunday dinner. So come on the platform. You can't run social media platform and afraid to come on platform. You have to come everywhere and talk out of your mouth and tell people where you support the People's National Party. That is your need to do. Because I think you, Perry, is misinformed and misguided. Because you don't have no good reason why you support the PNP, Perry. I'm going to be honest with you. You don't have no good reason why you support the PNP. Because the reason, me want you come on the platform, I don't want no gift, because I don't know if you cash out gift. I don't know how to cash out gift, Perry. And from a comp on TikTok, I've never cashed out a gift before, and people send me gift all the time. So I don't waste your money. Come on the platform, let's talk. That's what you must do. Don't send me any gift. Because I don't know how to cash out, and I have never cashed out. So nobody waste a $10. Come on the platform and we talk about the politics. We could talk about why you at 27 years old supporting the People's National Party in 2026. I want you as an as a university graduate. I want you as a university graduate, Perry Cummings, to tell me, MunchieB, why you are supporting the People's National Party. When it was under Andrew Michael Holness, Perry, when Andrew Michael Holness removed the guarantor from student loan, so poor people picnic can't able to borrow student loan. It is under Andrew Michael Holness where poor people picnic now can get student loan at 2%. It's under Andrew Michael Holness where poor people picnic can go to school and they don't get run out of school because they're not paying a school fee. It is under Andrew Michael Holness where poor people picnic can go to school now and get lunch in a free lunch, free breakfast, and they can get JUTC bus credit at school, and now we have the school program. Come and tell me, Perry Cummings, why you as a young person supporting the People's National Party in 2026. Come and tell me. We're not arguing, we're talking about policy. Tell me why you, Cummings, is supporting the People's National Party, and Andrew Michael Holness have done so much, Perry, for young people. Tell me. You don't have no good reason, but Michael Manley done and gone a long time. Me don't know Michael Manley, you don't know Michael Manley. So what is Michael Manley doing for you? What is Michael Manley doing for you, Perry? Michael Manley don't do nothing for you. You must vote on policy, Perry. Vote on policy. And that's how your parents tell you. I come from a PNP family and I can tell you, Perry, vote on policy. That is what I tell my daughter and my nephew. Anytime you send them to the polling station, me telling the reason why me I send them to a polling station. That is why my daughter voted for the first time on September 3rd. And my nephew voted for the first time on September 3rd. And my next niece, whenever I get for enumerating time, she's going to be ready for the local government election. That is why when me I send them to the polling station, I tell them what to vote for. What are you voting for, Perry? What are you voting for? Mama said never hear me a call you. Send me back a request, man. What are you voting for? It is under Andrew Michael Holness when young people can leave university and go in a job immediately. Under Percival Noel James Pattison as all CL. Perry, while you eat your breakfast, let me ask you this. Did you know that the loader bus, the occupation when named loaded bus, started under the People's National Party? In Perry? Perry, did you know that the occupation, loader man, started under the People's National Party? You know why? Because there were no jobs for young people. Nothing for the young people to do, Perry. It's under Andrew Michael Holness where we pump money into the art trust because PNP never have money to hire any lecturer for art trust. So art trust was just there as a building, underperforming. It was when Andrew Michael Holness won in the election, we invested billions into art trust and train more people. So we can have more people to train more plumber, to train more person to do construction, to train more people. As a matter of fact, Perry, under the People's National Party, Perry, PNP look down upon technical schools. PNP look down upon technical schools, Perry. And the PNP, when you got stats, or KT, or Dunyun, they consider you done spitney. Come here, Perry. Come here, Perry. Let me tell you something. It breaks my heart when I see young people support the PNP. That is why I want to engage you on the platform, Perry. I want you to come and tell us why in 2026 you, Perry, is supporting the People's National Party. Why? Them exactly, Kizzy. PNP never have the money for upgrade no school. No school at all. And school like Stats and KT and Dunyun and all the technical schools were looked down on under the People's National Party. Me? Them underfund our trust. Comrade Advocate. It was under Andrew Michael Holness and Bruce Golding when we start to invest in education. Invest in the technical schools. PNP remove every single technical skills from school. PNP under Percival. Let me be specific. Under Percival it happened. It happened under Percival, Noel, James, Pattison, and Maxine Henry Wilson, the worst Minister of Education this country has ever seen. So when we hear young people like Perry supporting the PNP, it bother me, Perry. It bother me. And the last time I engage you on a platform, I ask you, Perry, why are you supporting the PNP? You tell me about Michael Manley. What the hell you know about Michael Manley? What you know about Michael Manley, Perry? What Michael Manley do for you? What did Michael Manley do for you, Perry? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Because 90% of the children that got the free education under Michael Manley migrated. That is why, comrade, we have over 5 million people in the diaspora. Jamaica is one of the biggest diaspora in the world because of Michael Manley. You never know that, Perry? Jamaica are one of the biggest. I see one video on TikTok where they say 9 million Jamaicans and 6 million in the diaspora. That is because of Michael Joshua Manley. And Percival, of course. Because when the young people they leave college, Perry, they never have nothing to do, so they had to go to greener pastures. So when no wonder Andrew Michael Holness, Perry, Perry, did you know that Randy Tweets told the Teachers College to stop taking in applications because we don't need no more teachers? Did you know that, Perry? Did you know that Randy Tweets said no more lawyer, no more teacher, no more doctors? Did you know that? Michael Manley, PJ Pattison, Randy Tweets, Omar Davis, Maxine Henry Wilson. Them throw gasoline pan Jamaica and scratch the matches and burn me down to ground. Bruce Golding, comrade. Bruce Golding, after I won the election in 2007, start the rebuilding of Jamaica. So me hear young people like Perry, with the whole father will live a foreign. Perry father don't even live here. Perry PNP father where I'm giving them misinformation. They don't even live in the country. Come on, Perry. You go to university. We go for you, we go do. We go for you, we go do, Perry. We don't need to Sunday dinner me wait for you. Because me don't know where you run for. What are you, if you have the facts and information, you're supposed to can go on any platform. You know why me not go on all I platform, then PNP platform. I know because me don't want to go, because they not allow me to speak. So it don't make no sense. It's the first time Daniel invite me on a platform and give each person 3 minutes to speak. You see, PNP then custom and tell you to put me back on there because the PNP saying give me too much time for talk. That is the reason why I can't go back on PNP platform. Because they don't want me over there. Because they don't want to give me 3 minutes to talk. And they say, Daniel, give me too much time to talk propaganda. And I make me an interview every minute. That is why I don't waste time and go on PNP platform. Because they not allow me to speak. It's the one time when Daniel give me 3 minutes to talk, the PNP then give me a piece of code, then nearly light my fire over there. He can't give me no more 3 minutes. Every time when I go over there, I say, Daniel, are you going to give me time? In our work with the time again. Because the PNP don't want that. Because they don't want me to speak for 3 minutes. Excellence in a card, so we don't have no facts. What do you mean by excellence? Come here, excellence. Can you know say me forgive you when I talk things about me? Send me a request, excellence. Send me a request. Because remember me not afraid to come on the platform, you know. Who not afraid of me, you know? If me don't have no facts, it should be easy if you come on my platform, come dispel my propaganda. If me don't have no facts, why the PNP them afraid of my platform and me give you no time to speak? Remember me give you no time to speak, you know? Remember me, MunchieB, always give you no time to speak. Always. Always good time. When I come over there, don't want to give me, your excellence, the reason why they not give me 3 minutes to come in and have no facts. See? They don't want me to talk over there. And when me invite you here to speak, you're not afraid to come. And I am giving you guys the 3 minutes. Because I'm not biased. Me I go to 3 minutes because I no say. Remember 5 flights a day. No, they don't remember that. They don't remember. Me go to time for talk. Because I know so there's nothing what the PNP can say what we can challenge. Why the PNP don't want a level play field? Why the PNP don't want a proper, decent debate? We don't talk about people's personal life. We don't talk about the color of people's skin. We don't talk about nothing, just about the facts. Why don't you do that, comrades? Daniel tried, but it never worked. Because Daniel, people ain't cuss him. And then he's too much labor right. He are getting too much time. How afraid are we? We're afraid are we, comrade? We're afraid are we? How no say? We cannot. There be none of no comrade can't challenge no labor right when it comes to debate. Not today, not tomorrow, not next week. None of no. That is why when time I turn on my life, I'm afraid for come. I'm afraid. They're afraid. Afraid. Only a staff garden. Staff garden not come ready are your labor right. Guys, staff garden not come ready our labor right. Huh? Staff Garden, are you a comrade or a laborite? Time I make me hear. Any comrade want come can come. Any comrade. So come, send me a request, come. Send me a request and come. And you can't even choose the labor right where you want to debate with if you don't want me. You can go to the comment section and choose any labor right, even Empress. I remember Empress don't live here. Any labor right you want, choose and come up. And the platform is yours. Me can step away and give it to you because I know me no mind. Once it is a debate, and you're not about people skin and people sexual orientation or nothing. Facts. Anytime when you're ready, comrade. All right, somebody said, Merry Christmas. Let me see how this. Oh God, I don't know. Labor, you come with my chance to come. You know when they come. You need to use. I can use, so you come not excellent.